Benzene, a carcinogen that can cause cancer in humans, can form in beverages containing benzoate preservatives and certain acids, for example, Fanta, soda. Interesting that Coca-Cola chose to disclose that the artificial colors it uses can cause ADHD symptoms rather than just not using them. Anyway, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration was informed by the soda industry about the hazard back in 1990, yet 15 years later was still finding it in some soft drinks. This prompted a national survey of nearly 200 beverages for the presence of benzene in soda and other beverages. The maximum contaminant level of benzene, considered safe by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, is 0 in water supplies, though that's not always possible to reach since benzene spews from cigarettes, car exhaust, and fireplaces. So the European Union allows 1 part per billion, and the United States ended up allowing 5 parts per billion, since it would be too costly to push for less cancer. California holds the line at 1 part per billion, but its goal for public health is 0.15 parts per billion based on cancer risk from leukemia, because a lifetime exposure to 1 part per billion could cause 7 additional people per million to get cancer who otherwise wouldn't. OK, so how did the beverages do? Of the 199 beverages tested, 37% had no detectable benzene, and another third had less than 1 part per billion, but 40 beverages exceeded the European and California water standards, and 18 violated U.S. federal standards. However, soda is not the only source. In a survey of 451 beverage samples, benzene was found as a heat-induced contaminant of carrot juice for babies. 94% of the carrot juice for infants had detectable levels of this carcinogen, with average concentrations around 2 parts per billion, but no benzene was found in unheated, fresh carrot juice. Obviously, water standards are much stricter, but if the only safe intake is 0, any avoidable exposure to benzene should be avoided, and tainted soft drinks are definitely avoidable.